Alright, y'all. It is meal time at work. Either in the office. But what we got? Flounder and mixed vegetable. Let's go. Meal prep number 2 at work. About 250 grams of ribeye. 250. Let's go.
Excellent.
Alright, it's about 1 a.m. Meal prep number 3. Beef, rice, asparagus. Beef, rice, asparagus. Let's go. Meal prep number 4 of the shift. Salmon. Salmon and vegetables. Alright, it's about 1 p.m. We got approximately 6 hours of sleep, which is pretty good considering I'm on graveyard 12-hour shifts right now. But we got to get up, we got to get after it. So I'm starting with meal prepping for the next couple days. I got a couple pounds of ground turkey already going. Got some sweet potato fries. We're boiling water to make some pasta. We're gonna do some chicken Alfredo with the sweet pea protein pasta. Let's go. Already labeled the ones from the other day. Got the rice cooker going. Harper's working on her art projects, and this is how it is. It's just go, 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 go. Because here in a little bit, I gotta hit the gym, and then I gotta go back to work for another 12 hours. And then I gotta get 5 hours of sleep, and then I gotta do it again. That's when stuff like this comes in handy too. Don't knock it till you try it. The macros are good. They're all there. Let's go. Regular old chicken, but it's already done. So sometimes I utilize things like that to make my meal preps because nutrition is the most important thing. Always. Right? And sometimes with our busy schedules, we don't get the proper nutrition in. But in this household, we meal prep everything. Even my dogs eat out of meal prep containers. Oh, boys. Look at my boys over here. Look at my boys. What are you doing, my boys? Come on, boy. Go hang out. Anyways, those are my dogs. So, yeah. So I'm going to get after this food. Cook a little bit more. I got some shrimp defrosting as well. Probably make some chicken salads. We gotta try to hit that target, a 3,500 calorie target for this lean bulk. So it's like 7 meals. So wish me luck. Let's go. All right, first meal prep is done. We have protein pasta, chicken Alfredo. Very simple, very quick meal that I made. High protein packed, about 400 grams per serving. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 400 gram servings. Okay, this is all it had in it. Okay, very simple, quick. Sometimes you got to be convenient and quick, but still I like to cook. So I had 2 boxes of chickpea rotoni, which is 21 grams of protein per serving. 2 Classico Alfredo sauces, and then 4 canned chicken. Don't knock it till you try it. Macros are sick on this, okay? I'll give you the total count, total macro here in a second after I calculate it per serving. But let's go. 30 minutes into meal prep day, and we're getting a good start. All right, we just got done doing our math. Here is your macros for each meal for the chicken Alfredo, okay? Simple, easy, quick. 495 calories, 53 grams of carbs, 44 grams of protein, 15 grams of fat. Now, I wouldn't suggest these meals, these high carb meals for when you're doing a cut or you're trying to lose weight. This is lean bulk specific. Meal prep number 2. Ground turkey, rice, frozen mixed vegetable. Simple, clean. That's how we're gonna do it. Each meal, we're gonna target about 100 grams of rice. Okay. About 150 grams of turkey. Okay, and about 4 ounces of vegetables, mixed vegetables today. Like I said, it's a work day, meal prep day. Sometimes fall on work days, and these won't be as elaborate meal preps, but they'll be clean, they'll be ready to go, and I'll shoot those macros for this meal prep. We're gonna make about 5 or 6 of them, and I'll post those macros right here. One more look. Ground turkey, white rice, mixed vegetable. 300 grams per meal. And we ended up making about 7 of them. Yo, and we almost forgot. Woo, sweet potato fries. Another good carb source. And just so you don't think I'm a total barbarian, 150 grams salmon, 100 grams rice, 50 grams snappies. These are the more time-consuming ones that I make. This one's my wife's meal prep for the week. Absolute banger, delicious. We got about 7 of those going that I made yesterday. I've been at it since 1 o'clock. It's now 2:45. I'm gonna have time for one more, okay? Please, for the love of Buddha, wash your shrimp, okay? Last meal I'm gonna make is gonna be a simple shrimp and rice, maybe a couple with shrimp and then sweet potato fries. Let's go. All right, kids are home from school, just finishing up my meal prep. What's up, baby girl? You ready for gym? No. All right, this is what I got for tonight. I'm gonna put down some protein shakes too, just to bring up that protein ratio, but I got 4 preps for the night, plus what I already ate today, eggs and pancakes, protein bar. Now it's time to go gym. Let's get it. Look at Harper's meal prep. We only do meal prep. Our diet has a meal prep container with like some cereal. I don't know about all that. It looks like junk food to me, but one more note. It's how I always be looking. Okay? Even the kids' meal preps are labeled with specific macros. Get right, meal prep. Rice cake, peanut butter. My go-to pre-workout snack. Hi, honey. All right, so here we are. It's around 3 o'clock. Got up at 1 o'clock, made like 25 meal preps, and now we're on our way to get our lift in for the day. And after our lift, we're gonna head to work for a 12-hour shift. So, like, the biggest takeaway you should take from this is you might think you don't have time to do the things you need to do to be healthy and to put yourself and your physical fitness and mental health first and your nutrition, but you really do. Because if I have the time and I'm running around with my 2 kiddos, you know what I mean, getting them to and from school while working 12-hour shifts, you know, and I'm putting in, you know, 60 hours a week or so, and I always get my lift in, and I always prioritize it. You know what I mean? I always prioritize at least once a day. I got to do something for myself to make myself better. And that's how I found to be so passionate about the gym life and my fitness and my nutrition, is because it's part of your life anyways. You know what I mean? You might as well make the best of it. All right, so we're gonna do some legs today. We're heading out there right now. Gym is about 15 minutes away from the house. We're gonna drive down there and let's get it. Let's get it. All right, y'all, we made it. Today is leg day. Progressive overload again. We're gonna start off on what we like to call the shark tank. Some people call it belt squats. We call it the shark tank. Same scheme as for the rest of the lean bulk. Progressive overload, starting with light weight, moving up slowly in weight, moving down slowly in reps. Let's go. That's a wrap for the warm-up exercise. Do shark tank, 4 sets, progressive overload. Added a plate each set. Went 15, 12, 10, 8. Let's move on to the next one. All right, fam. Next exercise, hamstring curls. Laying down hamstring curls, okay? Same thing, progressive overload. Adding weight each set, going down in reps. Let's get it. Let's go. I got you. Pull. It's pretty grueling, but last set. We're on our last set. We're all the way down to 8 reps, 150 pounds or so. This is where it counts. This is where your money's made. All right, y'all, we got 2 exercises down, shark tank and leg curls. This is a glute and hammy focused. I forgot to tell you, but glute and hammy focused leg day. Exercise number 3, dumbbell RDLs. Let's go. That's 4 sets. Dumbbell RDLs, progressive overload. Moving on, let's go. All right, RDLs are complete, which brings us to exercise number 4. We're gonna do Smith machine, weighted lunges, progressive overload, adding weight each set. We're gonna go 12, 10, 8, 6. We're gonna try to go heavy on that last set. Lightweight, mama. That's easy. Let's go 2 plates. All right, so we did 4 sets. Feeling pretty good about it. We're gonna go ahead and toss on a 5th set for 2 plates. See how many we can get. I don't know if we got that, but we got 8 on each side. My alarm went off on my phone. It's pretty good. Let's go. We got this. Up, lightweight. Let's go. All right, that was pretty fierce. We're gonna go ahead and
go head back over to the leg room, hit leg press to kill it. And go finish us off with leg press. Let's go. Set that way. It's American Iron Gym. That's where we at. Please can't walk. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna go ahead and finish her off with leg press. Progressive overload. Gonna add a plate each set, work our way up. We'll do 20, 15, 12, 8, and we'll see how we'll feel. Maybe we'll add 4 or 5 plates at the top. Let's go. Also, since it's hammy focused, we'll go high foot position on the back. High and narrow. Really concentrating on that back leg. The tallest one, really? That's a wrap. Did the leg finisher on leg press. All the way up to 6 plates or so. Legs are feeling good and pumped. It's that simple though, 60 minutes. Let's go. Leg pumpy. Decent leg pump for sure. You know you got a good leg pump when you can't see any of the sweeps or striations anymore, and it's just straight blood. Just full of blood. Hamstrings be bopping though. We growing. Let's go, till next time. All right, and that's gonna be a wrap for today. Day 2 accomplished. And just to follow up, you know what I mean? I'm now heading out from the gym, heading to work. It's a half-hour drive, okay? Out up in the mountain. I'm a blue-collar dad. I'm gonna work a 12-hour shift tonight. I'm gonna get home. I'm gonna get the kids situated with school, breakfast, lunch. Then I'm gonna take a dad nap. It's not really even sleep. Then I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna do it all again, okay? Because like I said before, every single day that goes by, you should at least do one thing for yourself to improve yourself. It may be reading a book. It may be working on a hobby, something you're passionate about. It may be working on yourself, your nutrition, your fitness. But every day, I make it a very, very solid point in my day to accomplish something that makes myself better. And after a while, you know, it just becomes routine. You know what I mean? If I were to miss a day of this routine, then, you know, I would be dragging. I would feel like shit. I wouldn't be as accomplished. You know what I mean? If I'm not doing something productive for myself, for my family, for my loved ones, for my career, for the things I'm passionate about, then it's just, you know, it's just a day wasted. You know what I mean? And one of the things I preach to my kids, to my family, to everyone that looks up to me at work, everyone that I mentor, is time, right? Time is your one most valuable asset, right? And you gotta stay true to yourself. So let's get it. Day 2 down. Let's go. Off to work we go.